Hey y'all, I'm Karen Mayer Cunningham, the special education boss. If you've ever felt confused, overwhelmed, or just plain frustrated at the 504 IEP table, you are in the right place. Every week, I'm breaking down the rules, the rights, and the realities of special education so you can walk into meetings informed, empowered, and ready to make real change. And whether you're a parent, a teacher, an advocate, a school-based member, or somebody who's just trying to do right by a student, this podcast gives you straight talk, real answers, and tools that you can use immediately. I'm not here to play politics. I'm not here to play sides. I'm here to train people who sit at the table and teach you how to follow the law, ask the right questions, and protect the rights of students. So go ahead and hit subscribe, share this with a friend, and you know what? Meet me back here every single week. We're not just talking about change. We're making it. Because when you know better, you do better. And when we get it right for the child, we get it right for everybody.
Okay, so now we're going to do the formal request. It's a formal request. Let me tell you what a formal request isn't. Hey, Bob, Billy did good at the baseball game. Do you think my kid needs special education testing? Okay, you'll take care of it? Not a formal request. But I'm on the PTA, so I think they'll just do it. I was the homeroom mom. Formal request is, what do we call it? Written. It's written. So I'm going to help you make the formal request. We're going to make it clean, concise, and clear. Write that down. Clean, concise, and clear. Remember, this is a business request. It's not personal. It's not personal. It's a formal request for your child to have special education testing. So what is it? We're going to make it clean, clear, and concise. So here it goes. Dear staff, this is my formal request for my child, Billy Smith, to have special education testing. Areas of suspected disability are attention and learning issues. I look forward to your written response. That's it. You don't need to cut and paste a letter from the Office of Civil Rights. You don't need to put in federal code. You don't need to tell them I'm going to come up there and let you have it. You don't need to do any of that. Clean, concise, and clear, right? This is my formal request for Billy Smith to have special education testing. Areas of suspected disability are attention and learning issues. Why do I use those two, Karen? It kind of covers everything, right? If he has functional needs or physical needs, you can include that. If you need to give more information in there, then add it. That's where you add those data points. After 2 years of struggling in school, after teacher assistance, after tutoring, after hours of homework, this is my formal request to have my son, Billy Smith, to have special education testing. Areas of suspected disability are attention and learning issues. I look forward to your written response. You know what happens when you send that email? The phone. Yes, we don't answer the phone. Here's what I tell my families and my clients. Don't pick up the phone once you've requested special education testing, because a phone call, not written. And here's the deal. If they call and your kid's on fire, they'll leave you a message. Okay? I look forward to what? What I said? Oh, your phone call? No, I look forward to your written response.
Hit subscribe, share this with a friend, and you know what? Meet me back here every single week. We're not just talking about change. We're making it. Because when you know better, you do better. And when we get it right for the child, we get it right for everybody.